Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 26th of January, a day of great importance in the history of India. It is on this day in 1950 that our country became a republic and the Constitution of India came into effect. This marked the beginning of India's journey as a sovereign, democratic, and secular nation. The journey to this day was not easy. It was the result of years of struggle, sacrifice, and determination by countless freedom fighters and visionaries who dreamed of a free and just India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Jawaharlal Nehru worked tirelessly to shape the foundation of our nation. The Constitution, drafted under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is the supreme law of the land. It guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen and ensures justice, equality, and liberty. It also places a great responsibility on us to uphold these principles and contribute to the progress and unity of our nation. Republic Day is not just a celebration, but also a reminder of our duties as citizens. It is a day to reflect on how far we have come and how much further we have to go. From advancements in science and technology to achievements in sports and culture, India has made remarkable progress. However, challenges like poverty, inequality, and environmental issues still require our attention and efforts. As we watch the parade on Rajpath, showcasing India's diversity and strength, let us remember the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom and the responsibilities we hold towards the future of our country. Let us pledge to work together, irrespective of our differences, to build a better and stronger India. In conclusion, let us take pride in being citizens of this great nation. Let us honor the values enshrined in our Constitution and work towards making India a land of peace, prosperity, and harmony. Thank you. Jai Hind,